Hello friends, welcome to Online Techniques. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a new and very important video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make desktop icon large, medium and small. It is very easy but necessary. Actually, the video is for the beginner. If you want to do the task, watch the video to the end without skipping to solve the problem. I believe that after watching the video, you can do the task easily. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. Dear friends, first of all, see the icons of the desktop are small. Now, click right button of the mouse on the desktop. Then you will see have a window. Now, put the mouse pointer on the view option. Then go to the right side and click on large icon. Now I have clicked on large icon option. Now see the icons of the desktop have been large. Dear friends, again click right button of the mouse on the desktop and put the mouse pointer on the view option. Now go to the right side and click on medium icon. Now I have clicked on medium icon option. As soon as you click on the medium icon option, the icons of the desktop have been medium. Now further right click of the mouse on the desktop and put the mouse pointer on the view option. Later, go to the right side and click on a small icon option. Now I have clicked on a small icon option. Now see the icons of the desktop have been small. Dear friends, in this way you can make desktop icons large, medium and small. Dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.